Hello guys, happy Diwali. So in this video we will have a look at practice set 11 question number 3 and practice set 12. We had left out this question in our previous video, so do check this out. Yes, so we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See 7 divisions up till 1. So total there are 7 divisions, right? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So between two whole numbers there are, like we can say that between two whole numbers there are 7 divisions. See, from between 0 to 1 there are 7 divisions, between 1 to 2 there are 7 divisions. Okay, so we can say that this will be 1, 2 and 3 by 7. So we can say that B will be 3 by 7 and A will be, see, 4 by 7, 5 by 7, 6 by 7, 7 by 7, 8 by 7, 9 by 7 and 10 by 7. So A will be 10 by 7. So this is the solution of the question, and now we will have a look at practice set 12. Yes, practice set 12. Just a minute. So practice set 12 is all about multiplication. It is all about multiplication. So let us start. In fractions, see, just let me give you an idea before multiplications. In fraction, if you have general multiplication terms as AB by CD, so you can write A multiplied by C and B multiplied by D. This is the general form of any type of multiplication. So let us start. There are 8 questions. We will be solving 4 of them, and the next 4 you can solve them. Okay, so first let us solve second question. So we have 6 by 7 into 2 by 5. And the important thing in multiplication is to reduce. You have to reduce also if it is necessary. Yes, we will have a look at that. So you will write 6 multiplied by 2 by 7 multiplied by 5. So you can write 6 multiplied by 2 is 12, 7 multiplied by 5 is 35. So this is your answer for the question. The next question which we will solve is question number 6. Question number 6 says 9 by 7 multiplied by 7 by 8. Here comes an important concept. You will write this as 9 multiplied by 7 divided by 7 multiplied by 8. Yeah. So from now, after this, see, you see 7 here in the denominator, you see 7 in the multi here. So what you do is, this is for your understanding, you write it as 7 multiplied by 7 into 9 multiplied by 8. Now you sorry, 7 by 7, and you know 7 by 7 is 1, right? 7 by 7 is 1. Cancel this out. So you get 1 into 9 by 8, and your final answer becomes 9 by 8. You can directly cancel 7 by 7. Cancel in the sense divide them. Why divide? Because you know you have to simplify. Simplification is important. That's why you have to do it. Sorry. And now we will have a look at the next question. Our next question now will be, let us solve question number 7. We will solve it here. So question 7 says that 5 multiplied by 6 into 6 multiplied by 5. Okay, this is very good question. This is interesting. And if you are able to solve this question correctly and you understand, then you can solve any multiplication question easily. Right? So how the technique is? The technique is, you see 5 in the find the numerator, find the denominator. Then you see 6 in the numerator, 6 in the denominator. So write it as 5 by 5 multiplied by 6 by 6. And when you do this, the, the thing which you do is divide them. 5 divided by 5 is 1 and 6 divided by 6 is 1. So your final answer will be 1 into 1, which is 1 again. And this is called multiplicative inverse. You can say reciprocals or multiplicative inverse. This will be used a lot in division. We will solve the exercise based on this in practice at 30. Okay, that is important. And now our fourth question, that is the question number 8. 6 by 17 into 3 by 2. Okay, good question. 6 by 17 into 3 by 2. Very good. So now we will write it as 6 multiplied by 3 and 17 multiplied by 2. Okay, so here we tackle an important concept, and this concept will also be used in every multiplication question, almost every multiplication question. So you see 6 and 2. So you know 6 is divisible by 2. When you multiply 2 and 3, you get 6. So what you do is divide 6 and 2. You write it differently as 6 by 2 into 3 by 17. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. So you get 3 multiplied by 3 by 17. Now you can write it as entirely 3 multiplied by 3 by 17. And after this, 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. 9 by 17. So this is also done. And now we will solve a word problem. Just a minute, guys. Scrolling takes a bit of time. And now we will solve word problem. Okay, my bad. 1 minute. What will you do is copy this ahead. That there is no problem. Oh, my goodness. Sorry. Let us memorize the question first so that we can solve. Please skip this part. I generally don't edit my videos much. I'm yet to do editing properly. So please bear with it. Let us change the color so that it becomes good. Ashok Rao planted 2 by bananas on 2 by 7 of his field of 21 acres. Area of banana plantation. Okay. Okay, let us solve this question now. See, for example, this is a banana field. This is his field, and he planted 2 by 7. For example, this is 2 by 7. This entire field is 21 acres, and this is 2 by 7 of that 21 acres. So the question asked is, how much field is planted? Like how much field, part of the field is used, not planted. So you can solve this as, see, any field used will be like the entire into occupied or used or occupied, right? 21 multiplied by 2 by 7. Now also you see 21 and 7. You find the relation. 7 multiplied by 3 is 21. The way to remember is you see 7, you see 21, and you remember, okay, 21 comes in the table of 7. So what you do is you write 21 by 7 into 2. You can do this without any hesitation. So what you get is 21 divided by 7 is 3. 3 multiplied by 2, which is 6. Okay, so a question which you might have is, why did we multiply? Yeah, why did we multiply? That's a very legal question to ask. See, the thing is, there is a field and some amount of that field is used. So how much field is left? And the used is in fraction. So what you do is, this much of this same field has been used. So you multiply that. And since it is in fraction, you know it will get reduced somewhere. So that's why we multiply. So I hope you get this. We will solve the word problem number 3 also, but not now because I think the video is sufficiently long, and then we will solve this in the next video. So till then, stay tuned. Happy Diwali. Have a safe and prosperous Diwali. Enjoy your Diwali, and thank you.